Hey guys, me and Alex are back with another tasting video, and this week we are trying KitKats.
Yeah, we've always wanted to try all the different flavours of KitKats. This looks like a pretty good selection.
Yeah, thanks to the Nash family, we have 7 different KitKats to try. They're American, but they're living in Japan, and they have included 7 different flavoured KitKats, and we've always wanted to do this, haven't we?
We have KitKat different flavours over here, but they're like lemon drizzle, dark chocolate, but none of the flavours are quite like this.
No, but do you know what I've just realised? This is KitKat Nestle. It's the same branding as our KitKat, whereas American KitKats aren't from Nestle. It's a different brand.
Oh,
or it
really?
might be Nestle. Let me check.
Oh yeah, because the logo is all
The
different.
logo's the same
It's
as
like
ours.
Cartoony.
So, KitKat is a chocolate-covered wafer bar confection created by Roundtrees of York, United Kingdom, with the exception of the United States, where it is made under license by H.B. Reese's, a division of the Hershey's company. So KitKat America isn't the same as KitKat England.
And it's made by the Reese's division of Hershey's.
Hershey's, yeah.
So we've got Chestnut here. We've got Oreo ice cream.
Ooh.
We've got goji berry or cranberry. Is that cranberry and almond ice cream flavour?
Hey, and it even has our saying, have a break, have a KitKat.
And these are those like strange Japanese
red
desserts,
paste.
red paste.
Is it called red paste?
And are these matcha? I'm guessing that's matcha.
I'm guessing that's matcha. I haven't got it.
And these are raspberry. They look quite delicious.
They look really good. And I think this is like strawberry ripple ice cream or something.
Oh yeah.
These all look amazing. So do let us know down below. Have you ever tried Japanese KitKats? Which one have you had? And which have been your favourites? I love how Samantha's included like the packets as well.
Yeah.
What's great about these is they come individually wrapped.
I know, and
they're
there's so
the
many.
cutest little bars ever. You get 2 little fingers and they're 64 calories each. I just love how exciting this branding is. So should we try one we think is going to be nice first, just to give us a good head start? What do you want to go with?
Ice cream one.
Ice cream?
Or this ice cream one.
Yeah, cookies and cream.
Cookies and cream.
Does it actually say Oreo? Yeah.
Well, it's got Oreos on.
Yeah.
This is great because we can have like one each.
One each, and it's like the perfect little size. You can really see how dark it is under
These
there.
are perfect for testing, aren't they?
Yeah.
Oh, cheers.
You know what else is different? I feel like the wafer is paler.
That's cool. It is quite milky, ice creamy. It does have that, definitely that flavour on the outside. And then there's a little bit of chocolatiness, which gives you the kind of Oreo biscuit feel.
Yeah, like definitely has the flavours they're portraying.
I don't like it that much because it's that really kind of like sickly white chocolate. But
It
I don't know
almost
if you
tastes
like it.
watered down to you.
Yeah. Almost tastes a little bit icy.
Yeah.
Should we try
Doesn't
something
it?
I don't think we'll like now?
Yes.
What about this like
Red bean paste.
red bean paste type one?
It's got a cute little bear on it.
Yeah. Trying to make it really cute. Try and make us think we'll like it. But I don't think we will. It's even got like a space on the back to like write on it.
thing.
Do you like write your name on it if it's like in your school box?
Yeah, because
This is
these
white
ones
chocolate
are
again.
individual, that's why. Oh yeah. So
it
much
smells-
chocolate on that.
Smells savoury. Well, I'm glad to say there's not actually any red bean paste in there. The thing that's so odd to us about red bean paste is it's so savoury, isn't it? For something that's
almost a
meant to
bit
be
drying,
kind of
isn't
sweet.
it?
And this is like that. It's odd because it's a sweet white chocolate and then it tastes a bit savoury.
But it's not like, ew.
Kind of is.
It's quite refreshing, do you not think?
Yeah.
Quite refreshing.
See what you mean.
I would never like turn my face up at it. You know, some things really do make your face go a bit like, ooh.
Yeah.
I think that's quite refreshing. I personally wouldn't choose it. But I can understand red bean paste is such a big thing there.
Yeah.
So they're probably finding that
Oh,
absolutely
if it's in your
delicious.
flavour palette, I'm sure you'd love that. Should we try
Okay.
matcha? Or you want to go to another one?
Can we
you
go
think we'll like?
raspberry?
Yeah, go raspberry.
Now these look super cute. I think these will be pink with little speckles in. I'll pop that on the side. And once again, you have something to write on. Look at that. Isn't that just so sweet?
I love the colour,
You
colouring
can have
of
a
it,
quick
the texture. Ooh.
Smells
fresh.
incredible. Wow. I think it's got freeze-dried raspberries in. It's almost like
Definitely has.
tangy.
Tastes really quite fresh, doesn't it?
Wow.
That's really good.
That's been my favourite so far.
That's really good. Should we go chestnut? And what are we going to do? Just rate them all at the end?
Maybe put them in order at the end.
Yeah.
I think
say I'm a
all
bit
of these
scared about
limited
this.
edition flavours are white-based.
They are, aren't they?
But I think that's easier to
But
add
that-
colour,
yeah.
add flavour.
It's a shame because that's probably what I like most is the milk
The milk
chocolate at home.
chocolate. Chestnuts roasting on an open fire. It's
That's
literally like
odd.
an aftertaste of eating
I
chestnuts.
really didn't think I was going to like that. But as you say, the aftertaste is actually giving quite a nice sensation. Because I don't generally like roasted chestnuts.
That
but that's
tastes
really
like,
nice.
like after I've eaten that, tastes like I've eaten chestnuts. Then just put a bit of chocolate,
Yeah.
white chocolate in.
It's good, isn't it?
I thought I wasn't going to like that much.
Should we go one we
Yeah.
think we'll like?
It's funny how it says inspired by KitKat, chocolatory. So I'm wondering if like they're partnered with a brand for this.
Maybe.
One of our followers, Caitlin, big
Hey,
up
Caitlin.
Caitlin, she was saying how she's from Australia
Ah.
and you can make your own custom KitKats there.
No way.
Do you know what's cool about these
Why
ones?
do they do so many flavours around the world and not
And
here?
not here.
Individuals.
Individuals. Aren't these just the cutest things ever?
Inspired by KitKat Chocolatory.
So
Is
I
that like
wonder
their
if-
Willy Wonka chocolate factory type
Oh,
thing?
I don't know why I was expecting.
See,
that
there's
to
no
be
like
chocolate.
KitKat on top. It's actually some stuff.
These are like posh. These are fancy. Fancy schmancy. Oh, are these the alcohol ones?
Oh, maybe they are. Does smell a bit like it, doesn't it? Right.
No.
Again, that's got that like ice creamy flavour, hasn't it?
Ever since we've had
Isn't that cranberries and almonds, do you think? I can't really taste them, but I can see that's what's on the packet.
ever since we've had like alcoholic chocolates from our candy boxes, like the Belarus one and the other American one.
You have nightmares, so do I.
I've like obviously got used to the alcohol flavour a bit more in a chocolate because I remember when we first tried the alcohol Kit Kats and I hated them.
But I'm not sure if that's the alcohol flavour or the ice cream flavouring, because it is kind of similar, isn't it?
Yeah, it just tastes like the other ones that had like a, and when I mean alcohol, I'm meaning 0.04%.
Yeah, it didn't have any alcohol, but it did have the flavour of the alcohol.
Like that strong whiskey flavour.
Unlike these chocolates Dad got for Christmas that literally bit into them and they did
And
have
it
alcohol.
had the alcohol
Yeah.
in, like the Cointreau
Yeah.
and the Tia Maria. Matcha.
Matcha too good for children.
Oh, I know what you did there. Matcha too good for children. No, and I was gonna do matcha, man. You like that then?
A bit like you were saying. The first time we had matcha, we have had matcha chocolates before. I didn't like it. That was the video where we said teabag a lot. And
Oh, yeah.
Everyone was saying, do you know you're saying teabag a lot? And we were like, yeah, that's
Yeah.
why we put loads of teabags on there. And I'm probably going to do it again because we're saying teabag again. So, but
Yeah, but do you think
I've
that's
really
also
grown...
because you've got used to tea so much more?
No, I always like tea. The bit I don't like is the bit at the end that tastes like tea bag. The flavour
Yeah.
of tea is nice. The flavour of tea bag is not nice. So that's got a really nice flavour of tea, and I enjoy that.
But I get what you mean. You can almost taste the tea bag.
Yeah. You haven't been grabbing any of these if we've been going.
What do you mean?
Because these are all the ones I'm going to keep.
Ah, funny. You keep them all.
Okay.
And last but not least, this
you
has got a
fancy a
really
beer?
cute penguin on. Oh yeah. It's a really cute penguin on this. So
can
we
open it.
think this is like
Oh yeah.
strawberry
Ice cream sundae or something.
ice cream sundae, yeah. What's that in the back, like a wafer?
That's like a wafer, yeah.
Have we saved
Definitely
the best to
got
last?
that creamy, vanilla-y strawberry flavour.
Almost tastes like you're eating ice cream and jelly. And by jelly, I mean Jello.
Oh, that stuff. You mean the wibble wobble? Yeah, they should have called that strawberry jelly and ice cream. Like when Nana was in hospital.
I was literally thinking that.
She was loving the ice cream and jelly.
The only thing she wanted when they came round
Yeah.
was the ice cream and
Ice
jelly.
cream and jelly.
Okay, so
Okay, so
my top contenders are definitely raspberry and the strawberry.
I think my top contenders are, I think the raspberry were better than the strawberry, so
Yep.
that'd be my number one. Then I actually think the matcha, then these strawberry ice cream ones, then the Oreo ice cream, and then funnily enough, I actually think the chestnut. And my least favourite probably are these two, the fancy one and the red bean.
Red bean. Okay, and for me, I'm gonna go raspberry, strawberry ice cream, Oreo cookie and cream, and then funny enough, chestnut, matcha, and then the cranberry one. than the red bean paste. So, sum up, what did you think about that?
I think it's really interesting to try all the different flavours.
Yeah.
But I think 9 times out of 10, I'd rather stick with a normal Kit Kat.
Yeah.
That's
It's
just
funny.
your bog standard milk chocolate Kit Kat.
Let us know what you think about the flavours of the Kit Kats, but I just think the packaging is just always so vibrant, exciting, and they look so amazing, don't they? So almost music makes me lose control.
I felt like you were going to break into dance to explain your point. I'm a tree.
I'm a whirlpool. Anyway, what I'm trying to say is like they always do seem so vibrant and exciting and amazing. So it's weird. In some ways, I am a little disappointed when I try them because you expect it to be so flavourful.
Yeah.
And really, it was only really the raspberry that was like, bam!
Yeah.
But I love trying them.
freeze-dried. But they're almost a bit too floral for me, a bit too fancy. I just like having like
I
chocolate
personally
and
think
wafer.
that's what...
If I'm taking a break, I just want chocolate and wafer.
But I do think that sums up Japan. You know, it's floral, it's fancy. Well, the bits I see anyway. But you know what I mean?
That must be why they do so well then, there.
Because, well, people in Japan love matcha and things like that.
Yeah.
But we definitely do want to like try more. Like it'd be great to go to Japan and try more. Surely there's got to be more than that. That would be awesome. Also, before we finish this video, I forgot to mention that Samantha actually gave us a bag in her box. I love my long life bags, and this just shows you.
It's literally Halloween. You're only going to use that 1 month of the year.
Am I? Anyway, so we got this box in Halloween.
I'm not going to the shops with you if you take that.
I really like it.
Unless
Thank
it's Halloween.
you, Samantha. Sammy. I really like that. You'll see me walking around. Hold on. People call me Sabrina.
Yeah, the teenage.
What's her name? Malcolm.
No, Salem.
Salem. That's funny. Anyway, did you enjoy that?
I enjoyed it, did you?
I really enjoyed that. Love getting to try all of the different flavours. We hope you enjoyed that video, and we'll see you soon. Bye, guys.
See ya.